The Red Apple and Two Friends. There was a little squirrel named Puturchik. One day she saw a big red apple in the forest. "What a big apple!" she said. The apple was too high up. Puturchik jumped and jumped. She tried to reach it with her little paws. Puturchik sat down on the ground. She was tired and sad. "Oh, how can I get that apple?" she thought. Just then, a tortoise named Kabuk walked up, very slow. Kabuk had a very hard and strong shell. Puturchik saw Kabuk. "Hello, Kabuk. Will you help me get the apple?" she asked. Kabuk shook his head slowly. He said, "I can't climb, you know." He looked up at the apple. "But I have an idea. My shell is very strong and wide," said Kabuk. "Step on me, like a little ladder." Puturchik quickly climbed onto Kabuk's back. Kabuk did not move at all. He stood very strong. Now the apple was so close. Puturchik reached out and gently pushed the apple down. Plop! The apple fell to the ground. Puturchik broke the apple in half. She gave one half to Kabuk. "Thank you, friend," she said. Eating together was so good.